Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Camping Cot is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for anyone looking to elevate their outdoor sleeping experience, transforming rough ground into a comfortable haven, ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready for adventure, whether you're car camping, glamping, or simply need an extra bed for guests, making those nights under the stars truly restorative and enjoyable. Number 5. LILYPELLE Folding Camping Cot. Introducing the LILYPELLE Folding Camping Cot, your perfect companion for relaxation. This cot folds up in seconds, making storage and travel incredibly easy. It even comes with a convenient carry bag for effortless transport. Whether you're on a road trip, at home, in the office, or enjoying the outdoors, this cot is a great choice. It's ideal for the pool, lake, RV, campsite, patio, tent, or cabin, providing comfort wherever you go. Built with a unique square high-strength steel tube design, it's incredibly robust. This cot supports an impressive 880 pounds, comfortably accommodating one adult or two children. Crafted from double Oxford fabric, it offers excellent strength and is easy to clean, ensuring long-lasting durability. The thoughtful tilt-angle design of its head ensures you wake up without back, neck, or shoulder pain. For an even better night's rest, this portable folding bed comes equipped with a comfortable mattress. You can sleep more soundly and wake up refreshed, ready for your day. Setting it up is incredibly fast and easy, taking minimal effort. When folded, it becomes compact, making it simple to store away until your next adventure. What we like. This cot boasts an impressive 880 pounds weight capacity and comes with a comfortable mattress. If you need a robust sleeping solution for heavier individuals or want extra comfort right out of the box, this is an excellent choice. Its head tilt design also ensures a pain-free rest. What people say. No positive product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted from original content. Number 4. LILYPELLE Portable Folding Camping Cot. Introducing the ultimate portable sleeping solution. Its strong, durable steel frame folds up in seconds, making storage and travel incredibly easy. A convenient carry bag is included, fitting perfectly into most car trunks. Experience superior support with its heavy-duty design. Constructed with a 1-inch thick square tube bracket, it can safely hold up to 880 pounds. This ensures stable rest for one adult or two children. Crafted from a double layer of 1200D Oxford fabric, this cot offers superior strength and is easy to clean. This premium material makes it exceptionally durable, ensuring it will last for a long time. Say goodbye to discomfort with its thoughtful ergonomic design. The head's tilt angle prevents back, neck, or shoulder pain, while 4 anti-concave reinforcement belts conform to your body for a truly comfortable and healthy sleep. Setting up your comfortable resting spot has never been easier. It's compact, incredibly quick, and simple to unfold, so you can relax almost instantly. This versatile cot is perfect for any adventure or everyday need. Use it for camping, hiking, travel, home, office naps, beach vacations, or simply relaxing by the pool or on your patio. What we like. This model also offers a high 880 pounds capacity and features a premium 1200D Oxford fabric for superior durability. If you are looking for a cot that provides exceptional support and prevents sagging for a healthier sleep posture, its anti-concave reinforcement belts make it stand out. It's built to last and keep you comfortable. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Therefore, no specific product features or details could be quoted as requested. Number 3. ATORPOK Camping Cot with Cushion. Experience superior comfort with its soft, removable cushion. In warmer weather, you can easily take it off for increased airflow, keeping you cool and comfortable. This cot is designed for convenience. It folds down compactly and fits into a handy carry bag, making it incredibly easy to transport to any campsite or outdoor adventure. Its heavy-duty steel tubing and X-shaped structure ensure exceptional safety and stability. This robust design can reliably support up to 450 pounds, accommodating strong adults with ease. Crafted from double-layer 600D polyester, its fabric is both strong and breathable. It offers excellent water resistance and is simple to clean, ensuring a comfortable sleep and reducing back soreness. Keep your essentials close at hand with its large 3-in-1 side pocket. It's perfect for storing your phone, water bottle, or other small items, ensuring easy access whenever you need them. What we like. This cot comes with a unique removable soft cushion, offering adaptable comfort for different climates. If you value versatility in your sleeping setup and appreciate convenient storage for your essentials, its side pocket is a great addition. It's perfect for those who want a customizable comfort experience. What people say. Number 2. ZONETECH Outdoor Camping Travel Cot. Introducing the ZONETECH Outdoor Camping Travel Cot, designed for ultimate portability. This foldable cot is incredibly lightweight, making it effortless to carry and transport on any adventure. Weighing in at just 5 pounds, it won't burden your pack. Its compact design ensures you can take it anywhere, from hiking trails to campsites. Don't let its light weight fool you, it's built with a sturdy steel frame. This robust construction ensures it can comfortably support up to 275 pounds. Experience superior comfort wherever you are. It includes a padded cot pad for extra cushioning, ensuring a restful night's sleep. Keep your essentials close at hand with its convenient large side pocket. It's perfect for storing your phone, wallet, or other small items. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just need a portable bed, this cot is your ideal solution. It's suitable for both adults and kids, providing comfort and convenience for everyone. What we like. Weighing only 5 pounds, this cot is incredibly portable, making it ideal for backpackers. If you prioritize ultralight gear for your adventures and still want a padded sleeping surface, this is your go-to. Its integrated side pocket also keeps your small items within reach. What people say. Number 1. Slsy Folding Camping Cot with Pad. This cot is perfect for all your adventures, whether you're hiking, camping, or traveling. It also serves as a convenient temporary bed for guests or a quick nap in the office. Forget complicated setups. This cot opens in mere seconds, making it incredibly easy to use. Its lightweight and foldable design ensures hassle-free assembly. Its compact design means it saves valuable space, making it easy to carry and store. You can take it anywhere, from the great outdoors to inside your home. Experience superior comfort with its removable, soft padded mat. This feature ensures a warmer and more comfortable sleep, adapting to your needs. Crafted with a robust anti-rust steel frame and double-layer 1200D Oxford cloth, it offers exceptional durability. This ensures it can support up to 900 pounds, far exceeding similar products. Looking for a thoughtful present? It's an ideal gift for campers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Even those who enjoy a quick office nap will appreciate its comfort and convenience. What we like. This cot takes the lead with an astounding 900 pounds weight capacity and a durable 1200D Oxford cloth. If you need the absolute strongest cot on the market that also offers a comfortable, removable padded mat, this one is unmatched. It's an excellent investment for heavy-duty use and long-term comfort. What people say. No specific product features could be extracted from the provided empty source. Please ensure the source JSON contains product reviews for analysis. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.